Back out in Camarillo. They have a bunch of end of season sale signs. Does it mean anything though? Coming here in the afternoon, seeing what's over here in the heat wall where you don't get any discounts though. Since no discount, we're coming straight to the back wall. Wait, I did forget to check on these. Nah, still no additional discounts, but still plenty of sizes too, man. Just throw these at a discount, doggies. Damn. All right, back in the men's section. Look at this. Look at this. 40% off is back. Oh, hell yeah. So stuff like this, which is $100. It used to be $70 last week. Now it's down to $60. And you can match this with your 90s gear. Or you can get these things right here. The aluminum foils go for $55 for the discount. $99.97 for those. Oh, we are in the size 10s. I forgot to mention that. 10.5 is actually $75 for the airships. Still trying to come up on some Vomeros or Vomero Pluses or something. $80 for these. And 2.3s, $90. RMs, $130. All these regular prices looking decent with 40 off. Air Max 1s, $65 for the all camo. Air Max DMs right here, $130. RMs right here, $130. These blazers, they've been trying to get rid of these forever. The acronym blazers, $40. Another 40 off on top. We're trying to get rid of these P6000s, $245. 2.3s, these are going for $70. Remember, you get 40 off on top. Wow. Now we're checking my size in the women's. Actually, before that, look at this, $150 for Jordan 4s right here. These are size 9s, $150, and you get an extra freaking 40% off. Holy crap. They got another one right here. This is the third one that I've seen. They got the Zagama, or I'm sorry, the Ultra Flies. The Ultra Flies 110. I think I saw this last week. Damn. And they didn't have the size I was looking for. All right, I got distracted by those. All right, let's go check out the bigger sizes. And I'm seeing some running shoes. Pegasus 39s, $50. So that drops down to $30. $30 for Pegasus 39s right here, $30 effing dollars. But I'm gonna pass on that. Oh dang it, that's such a good price. Seeing a lot of extended size price tags right there. $70 for the blazers. Pegasus trails right here, $50. This would fit me better than those other Pegasus. Jordan for RMs, $105. So that's what, $66. Look at the non-extended size price of the Pegasus trails, $80. And just a reminder, look, $50 for these. Wow. Got some mids right here, go for $90. 270s, $115. Metcon 5s. The free Metcon 6s go for $50, but not what I'm looking for, unfortunately. Wait, there's one more. The Blazer little platforms, $40. But definitely don't have the running shoes. I was hoping for like some Vomeros or something, but nah, nothing, dang it. Back in the men's size 11, $90 for these fake Tiffany ones. And I got tons of these. Look like these just came off the back wall. Got some mids right here, go for $90. More of these. Been seeing a lot of the 4RMs, $130. Next gen's $80. Moving up to the 12s, got a bunch of these for $100. Air Max 180, $75. Palm Slides, $45. Some budget, what are these? Budget Academies? What the heck? These remind me of the back reminds me of the Westbrook 1.0s, $40. $70 for the dunks right here. These are size 13, by the way. 270s down here. What is that? 100? 109? I don't know. 79, I think. 79.97. Definitely the lowest we've seen those. Nike by Yale. Air Max 1s, $170 though. University blue and then a purple bottom. What the hell? That's kind of weird. Vomero Roams. These are going for $90. LeBron 22s. I never saw this colorway. Size 14 right here. Next gen $65, size 14s. Lunar Roams, $50. Extended size prices really low. Look at this, $85 for these. That's okay. We've seen them cheaper. Tatum ones going for $50. Remember, you get 40 off on top. We got these GT cuts right here. Oh, dang, no additional discounts. 270s. Oh, this should be lower because that other one was marked 79. Let's check out the aisles real quick. Got a bunch of the generic J's. Aisles and aisles. We got some mids. SE mids. This is the one with the amazing material. Color's kind of whatever. SEs. Didn't we just see a bunch of these on the clearance wall? They're SE. UNC reimagined. Still haven't gone down in price. Metallic gold. One low SEs. More ones. Black toe varsity reds right here with the nubuck all along the front. Some ones. We got 2 3s right here. 2 3s. RMs. And then you got these Westbrooks. Nike signature basketball. Got a bunch of LeBron next gens and then 22s over here. Jatus, more Jatus. Budget signatures over here. Giannis Immortalities. Got witnesses. Stuff's moving a lot slower because it's been here for quite some time and the prices haven't gone down either, which means people haven't been buying that much stuff. That's probably why there's 40% off the back wall. Cortez SEs. Right here, I love that material. Pegasus Waves, got a trio of those. Nike Cities right here, got quite a few of those. Got these weird ISPA link access right here. These kind of remind me of the Scorpions from a while back. These are weird as hell, dude. Weird as hell. Premium pricing, originally $300. What the hell? Starting to see Shocks. R4s right here. Omero 5s. All kinds of dunks. Got some. What is this, nubuck? Is that nubuck? I can't even tell. Air Max 270s. Got a whole aisle of those. Got an entire aisle of Air Max 90s. Price started out really low, then we get quite a few. Retail price, what the hell? This kind of shows you how they work here. They start out with retail, and every week or two they might drop the price. I don't really know their pricing schedules, but yeah, they do periodically drop the prices. And after they only have a few left, they throw it on the back wall. Sometimes they give additional discounts even in the aisles. That's usually because things aren't moving and they've been chilling here for quite some time. Got plenty of sizes. Vapor Max 2023 Flyknits. Got all kinds of Air Max 2017s. DN8s right here. One of the heaviest Nike shoes around. You got the Air Max Plus Drifts. Got some Air Max DNs. Camo. It's like a digital camo type. I don't know. And running shoes wise, got a bunch of Infinity Run 4s right here. Going for $80. It's just that one you got the 40% off, but that's pretty much what I got. Air Forces still go for retail over there. 40% off clearance apparel as well. I still got this Justin Jefferson jersey right here. It is an extra small though, but pretty dope. Numbers pressed on. At least it's not just painted on. Oh, it's a small, not an extra small. But yeah, to be able to get a jersey for 40% off, that's pretty dope. That any Niners current players, I probably would get it if it's 40 off. Reds jersey right here. Larkin, I don't really know baseball. 175. And look at this Kobe windbreaker right here. $60. $60, you get another 40% off. Really? Really? Damn, it is super thin though. It is hella thin. But what a freaking price. Yeah, there's no lining or nothing. Yeah, they start making Kobe stuff like way cheap like that. Like cheaply made, that is. That's crazy. That's why they got them in multiple sizes. Small, medium, and large. But that price tag is crazy. That drops down to $36. $36 for this Kobe jacket. I'm not a fan. It's so freaking thin, dude. This is like crazy that they would make Kobe stuff so cheap. Really? I thought Kobe stuff would be a premium. Maybe they're just making sure kids are able to get it, I guess. That's crazy. $36 for this Kobe jacket. I'm not a fan. It's so freaking thin, dude. This is like crazy that they would make Kobe stuff so cheap. Really? I thought Kobe stuff would be a premium. Maybe they're just making sure kids are able to get it, I guess. That's crazy. That's why you gotta try stuff in person. Look at this. Like, if I paid 85 for this online and I got this delivered, I'd be so pissed. Like, dang, dude. They got this super thick hoodie. Normally 100, it's down to 70. You get another 30 off. The color's a little interesting. Checking the set, seeing if they have anything dope. I think I have the top for this that I grabbed for like 30 something dollars. And then this is cheap as a holy crap, 37 bucks. I don't match the top and bottoms when I wear sweats and stuff like that though. But yeah, that's hella cheap. What are these slacks right here? These slacks? 90 bucks, holy crap. $90. Dang, that's crazy. I don't really see much here. See people having a conversation about Kobe versus MJ. Oh, those conversations are always interesting. 50 bucks. Right here. How did I miss this jacket right here? Like a semi-poofy jacket. Kind of like a thin poofy jacket. But yeah, 75 bucks. Another 30 or no, my bad. Another 40 off on top. They only have size large. All right, checking out the women's clearance section now, where we see a ton of these. Go for 80. Ton of these. These in quite a few sizes. The satin shadows, 130 for these. Yeah, I grabbed mine for like 40 bucks or something like that. $90 for these forces. Dunks, $55. And these are hella interesting too. It's like way dirty though. That suede looks way dirty. I don't think it's supposed to be like that. Maybe it is supposed to be like that. It's weird. But yeah, man, it's worn as hell, man. Y'all need to give a bigger discount. A lot of the same stuff. All these dunks. All these. Another one of these mids. 65 bucks. What a price. But you only get one of them on this one. And then checking the huge sizes. See if I missed out on anything. Nah. Next to the Northridge Mall. This spot has 2 different levels of active wear. Got North Face hoodie right here. What they talking about? $70 normally, $35 Ross price. Small hoodie right here, $30. Pretty decent, medium duty. Adidas, kind of like dry fit material. 45 down to 18. Jordan, this is like a pullover type of thing. 25 bucks for this medium. Nike fleece jacket right here, $30 normally, $100. More of these. Mitchell & Ness shirt. This is a large? This is XXL right here, 15 bucks. New York Knicks colorway. No New York Knicks branding though. $85 down to, these have been what, 15 bucks, something like that? I don't see a price tag. No tech fleece at this location, but it's getting better. It's getting better. More of these Jordan hoodies. Saw small earlier. Was that extra small? Might have been extra small. $40 for these mediums right here. Moving on to the sneakers. Already seen all kinds of stuff that I like here already. Not these Cosmic Unities, so 50 bucks. They got Dame 8s. Here's what, these are both smaller sizes, 40 for those. ACGs in a smaller size. We've been seeing a lot of these. Damn, 37 bucks. $37. We're seeing some of the Nike products priced super high. Some of them priced super decent. Got some Vans half cabs right here. Go for 26. More of those KDs. The hell are these Jordans right here? 70 bucks. More of these in the size 10s. 10 and a half Shacks right here, 25. Free Metcon, these are 5 or 6s. $63. KD Tray 510s, 50. Another one of these free Metcons, 45. These some older Seek the Currys, the Flotros. 10 and a half, $55 for these. I swear I saw a bunch of interesting stuff in the corner of my eye earlier. What are these? The new Jordan ones or something? I don't know. The news. But yeah, $35. These are some Golfs. Got a couple of those in a size 11. Got the La France Pumas right here. Go for 40. Another one of those. What were these called? The Flyknit Racers, I believe. Size 11.5, 70. Got LeBrons right here, 22s. And a pretty big size, 80 bucks. MB1s. Bunch of these Okas, and they're all up to 100. I remember they were priced at 90 before. Grabbed one for 90 for my kiddo a while back. That was like a couple years ago though. Got some Under Armour slides, kind of interesting, 23 bucks. Big Feet Gang right here with some Camarillos, I think these are called. But yeah, 17 bucks. $17 for these right here, size 15 though, kind of big. Got these Jordan 1, those right here, size 13, 60, $5. This is the stuff I saw earlier, 65. This is a size 15. Oh, this is another size 13, my bad. Got Steph Curry's right here. I don't know the price because they put that thing right above it, or right on top of the tag. Size 13 GT Cut 3s right here. Volt colorway, $83. That's a pretty dope find. No running shoes my size, so that's kind of what I've been on. Dang it. Moving over to the women's section over here. Starting with the bigger sizes where we see these Hoka slides right here. And these have been marked down to 17. What are these? What the hell are these? I don't know what these are. Some Nike budget running shoes, 45. Air Maxes right here go for 70. What's this right here? What Jordan is this? What the hell is this? I don't know what they are. It's a travesty. Yeah, let's go for 70 bucks. Got some Hoka hiking shoes right here that I've never seen with some Gore-Tex on it. Never seen these. I don't know what the hell these are. Speed Coat 6 Gore-Tex. These are going for 80 bucks. Air Max DN's going for 80. Air Max 1 in a size 8.5, 70 bucks. Got some Air Flights right here, $37. This looks like a grade school though. The Stadium 90s, I think. Jordan Stadium 90s, $70. Legacy 312s right here, size 9, 70 bucks. Black and white. Is that a sale midsole? Air Max DNs going for 70. These are size 10. Yeah, that's the women's section. Looks like 40% off is back at the Nike outlet. And look what they got in Camarillo. A size 9 at Jordan 4s. Look at this, 150. That brings that down way under 100 bucks. Got Jordan 1 lows. These go down to $60 after that discount. Air Max 1s, you get $65 and another 40 off. GT Cut 3s for $95. So that drops these down to 60 bucks or under 60 bucks. Wow. You also get 40% off clearance apparel. And it does include these Kobe jackets. It is pretty freaking thin. But check out that price. Check out that. That's $36 after the discount. We got small, medium, large. Kind of crazy. Who else gives you guys real-time info about the Nike outlets? Got a full video coming. Cool Shoots channel.